alignment. E get one man wey wan play me like football. I hate to say this, but he wan do me wetin Bayern do Barcelona.
He dey mad. He gats collect now. One time they craze.
Earlier today, you said that you wanted to talk to me about something. Go ahead and tell me now. What is it? Is there any problem?
See, there is problem oh. There is problem in the land. As you dey see me so me and hunger just dey parole 247 like this. Small thing, hunger for kill me yesterday night. Na so I for just take die, go hellfire straight.
Things are hard for everybody. By the way, I don't understand why you are complaining to me about your hunger. Do I look like your father?
See this man sha. I have been guiding this your farm for almost 3 weeks now, and you have not given me even 1 naira.
Well, according to our agreement, you are supposed to catch the thief who has been stealing tubers of yam from my farm. And after you do that and hand him over to me, I will pay you your money.
So what you are saying is that all these weeks that I've been standing here guiding this farm, from morning till night like a useless man, you are not going to pay me anything for it.
Well, you need to step up your game and catch that thief. And as soon as you've done that, I will pay you your money in full. Until then, I don't think I owe you any money.
Hey, all fuck up will be treated oh. Hope you remember what I told you the day we started. I know they play with my coins though at all. So I am asking you one last time. Will you pay me my money or not?
Just settle down and do your job, boy. And you will receive your money completely.
You have 24 hours to wire me my money. If you don't pay me my money within 24 hours, whatever you see, you take.
I don't have time for this. Just get the job done and I will pay you.
Papa Akpundu, how are things going in the farm now?
Everything is okay. We are benefiting very well from the increase in the cost of food items. You know that we harvested tubers of yam in very large quantities. Now that yam is quite expensive, we are making a lot of profits in our sales.
Wow, that's a good thing to hear. How about the thief that has been stealing from us? Has he been caught yet?
No, I don't just understand that boy called Barati the Bad Guy. For almost 3 weeks now, he has been unable to catch the thief. Yet, he had the audacity to threaten me.
He threatened you?
Yes, he said that I must pay him within 24 hours. If not, whatever I see, I should take. However, I think it's just an empty threat though.
Well, I'm a little scared for your safety. I think we should inform the police about this. Or just pay him and let him go with his trouble.
I'm starting to think that he is conniving with the thief. I cannot let him off the hook just like that. He has to tell me who the thief is first, before I will consider giving him any money.
Okay. Please, just be careful with this boy. I'm getting worried.
Don't disturb yourself about this. I will handle it.
Men dem, una sabi say if person use us play, we go turn that person to video game.
Immediately now. Treat the person one time.
Good. I happy say una orientation still dey in alignment. E get one man wey wan play me like football. I hate to say this, but he wan do me wetin Bayern do Barcelona.
He dey mad. He gats collect now. One time they craze.
I handle one jab for am like that, but the man no one give me my coins. Men them, I want make we go give am royal visitation tomorrow. Make we let am know as e dey be now. Big man, hope you know wetin today be.
Excuse me, young man. I don't understand.
No worry. When your body begin hear am, you go understand wella. Today like this, na judgment day. We go table your matter, and e sure me say na hellfire you dey go straight. Angel Skelewu, where you dey now? Bring the book of life. Make we check whether his name dey inside.
Baba, his name no dey. No need to check anything, bros. This man na hellfire candidate. Even devil self know say this one na him direct younger brother.
Oya na, make we do the work of God for him life now. Angel Shikina, come with the cutlass.
Hey, wonderful, renowned, and highly respected young men of our precious community. Can we settle the matter amicably? Barati, I will pay you your money immediately. Please forgive me for not paying you since.
You think say we dey follow you play ba? The money dey with you here?
Not really. But I promise, first thing tomorrow morning, you will receive the alert.
You no serious with that. We go touch you today, then give you 2 days to pay me my money. And if you no come comply, na kpai with that. Men them, make una touch this guy small for me abeg.
Barati will pay for this. You will pay.
Wait. No just go like that now. Let me press that subscribe button and the bell wey dey in front so that you go follow for the first people wey go dey see our future videos.